Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be going to the vending machine and I'm going to go get myself a drink and the vending machine is over there. Yeah, so I'm going to go show you guys the Japanese vending machine because most people don't really go to Japan, so I'm going to be showing you and yeah, I'm going to be getting myself, I have my own money right here. Here it is. So, as you can see, it's right here. Okay, this one is not the best one because it doesn't really have anything I really like, but I do like. Yeah, there's nothing I like in here.
So why are we here that day?
No, because there's a vending machine all the way over there.
That's what I thought we were going to.
Okay, yeah, let's go over here. And yeah, so we're gonna be walking all the way back because that has crappy stuff in there. It doesn't have any apple juice or doesn't have any Japanese drinks I like. Okay, so we got to the vending machine and basically I figured out which one. So there's two vending machines and I want to get the cappuccino soda because it's one of my favorite drinks and it's very sweet and it's sparkling water.
How do you say it?
It's cappuccino soda.
Kalpis?
No, cappuccino soda.
Okay.
And yeah, and it's $1.40. Not well in America it's $1.40, but it's here as you can see, Japanese money. So gonna get that one. These were much different than the American one. See that? It comes out. Boom, you got yourself some soda.
Show them.
Huh?
Show everybody what it looks like.
So, this is what it looks like. So there's normal ones, and it's not really the soda, but I really like the soda more than the non-soda one. And yeah, basically in Japan, there's like vending machines scattered all over this place because it's really hot. So there's vending machines over there, over here, both right here. And yeah, it's basically scattered all over Japan. So yeah, we're gonna walk back.
Can you explain to them what it tastes like? What that tastes like?
It's like sparkling water, but sweet.
Sparkling milk, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but yeah, sparkling milk, but it's like sweeter than milk. So yeah, that's basically, it's like soda, but not like the Coca-Cola. So it's sparkling soda, basically, but with sweet and milk. So that's basically what's in here. That's like all. And there's a car.